Hey, what's up? Jigxor here. Are you encountering issues with screen time not working properly and failing to track your device usage accurately? In this video, I'll show you how to fix this iOS 18 screen time bug on iPhone. Let's go. While the exact cause of a screen time bug can vary, here are common possibilities. iOS updates. Even major ones like iOS 18 can sometimes introduce temporary bugs or conflicts. Also, settings conflicts can interfere with screen time. Features like low power mode or share across devices can contribute to these conflicts. To fix the screen time bug on iOS 18, here are several effective troubleshooting steps you can try. Ensure you're running the latest version of iOS 18, as Apple frequently releases updates that fix known bugs. Updates might introduce new features or enhancements to screen time that can help improve its functionality and address existing issues. Screen time might require specific iOS versions to work properly. If you're using an older version, updating could ensure compatibility and prevent issues. Turning screen time off and then back on can be a simple yet effective way to troubleshoot issues with the feature. This action essentially refreshes the screen time settings and can help resolve minor glitches or conflicts that might be causing problems. To do this, go to Settings. Scroll down and find Screen Time. Tap on it. Go down again. And then click Turn Off App and Website Activity. After a while, enable it again. Low power mode and share across devices can interfere with screen time functionality. When activated, low power mode can optimize certain system processes to conserve battery life. However, this optimization might sometimes interfere with screen time's functionality. Also, the Share Across Devices feature allows you to sync settings and data across multiple Apple devices. While convenient, it can also introduce potential conflicts. Disable these features by following along and check if screen time starts working again. If other methods don't work, you can try a force restart. Keep in mind, though, that the specific combination of keys required to do this may vary depending on the model of iPhone you have. For iPhones with Face ID, such as iPhone 10, iPhone 11, or any newer model, do the following steps. The following procedure also applies for iPhone 8 and iPhone SE. Press and quickly release the volume up and volume down buttons respectively. Then press and hold the side button. Once the Apple logo appears, release the side button and wait for your iPhone to restart. On the other hand, the process is slightly different on the iPhone 7. In this case, you need to press and hold both the volume down and side buttons simultaneously. Continue holding both buttons until the Apple logo appears on the screen. For those with an iPhone 6s or earlier, press and hold both the sleep and home buttons at the same time. Keep holding both buttons and release them when the Apple logo appears. If none of these steps work, you may need to contact Apple support for further assistance. If your device is still under warranty, they may be able to repair it at no charge. If not, they should be able to diagnose the problem and give you an estimate of the repair cost. You can either visit the nearest Apple Service Center or contact them directly via chat or call on their web platform. To contact them online, open your browser and visit support.apple.com on your iPhone or computer. From the dashboard, browse to the Get Support section and click Start Now. For more personalized support, sign in with your Apple ID and follow the on-screen instructions to start your request. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or other problems with your Apple device, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.